Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a beautiful 1963 Ford Falcon Sprint convertible. Killer little car, guys. Just over 4,000 miles on a body-up restoration. Original North Carolina car. Gentleman we got this car from has owned this car for over 20 years. Great car, guys. I can tell you, I'd get in this car and drive it anywhere. I had this car, I bought this down in South Carolina. My buddy Scott, Brandon, and I, we jumped in this thing, and it was my driver all week long. Great car, had it on the expressway. Just a great car. Runs and drives excellent. Everything worked. Of course, it was beautiful weather down there. We had the top down. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous little car. Again, previous owner had it for 20 years. Original 260 car. And nice. You look at a lot of little things like this on this car. Look how nice that trim is. Paint's nice. This is a factory 63 color, but this car was originally a black car. Yeah, I think it's artesian green is what this is called. It's like a turquoise is what it is. Chrome and stainless is nice. You can pick that grill a little bit, but it's original. Still nice. Great driver, man. I mean, a lot of fun to drive. Hits the road great. It's got the factory Sprint tach in there. This is what you don't see. Bucket seats, console, beautiful steering wheel in this car. Factory dash. Again, it's power top. Jordan, you can start putting that top up too when you get a chance. And like I said, I bet you we put a couple hundred miles on this car. Just a great car. Fun car to drive. I've always been partial to Falcons. I just like them. I think they're cool. I think it's a great body style. I really like the looks of them. The car's nice and flat down the sides. Those are 13-inch radial white walls on. It's got the factory wheel covers. Stock single exhaust. Little touch-up mark there. Original F-code 262 barrel car. You can see it's got the chrome air cleaner and valve covers on it. Power steering. It's got manual drum brakes. Stock intake and exhaust manifolds. Pretty much bone stock underneath the hood. Got the original 2-speed Fordomatic transmission in it. Detailed up real nice. Detailed up real nice underneath the hood. Hold on before you go up with it, Jordan. I want them to see that top going up. Top goes up and then you just put it right back down when we...
Okay.
Oh, remember, key goes in upside down too. Power top. It's got the white convertible top. It's in great shape. It's got the plastic rear window. Yeah, that's good, Jordan. Top works great. Original door tag still in there. Boy, this trim and stuff is really nice. A-pillar chrome's nice. I dig it, man. Super cool car. Love the interior. The bucket seats console. Comes with the guy's cassette collection. The center console is full of it, so is the glove box. Original owner's manuals in there. Look how nice that doggone steering wheel is. Beautiful. Again, power top. Factory dash engages 4622. That's on the restoration. Tach works. Got the Sprint tach. It's got a Retrosounds AM/FM cassette radio. Stock single exhaust. Stock 325 rear end. Car's clean as can be. Car cover goes with it. Of course, that's the boot. Spare, there's an aftermarket hydraulic jack underneath there. I'll try to show you in here. You can see how nice the car is. I mean, car is slick. It's just a slick little car. Clean underneath. Just a little fun cruiser, man. That's what the car is. I might look into getting some new taillight lenses for that. I know they make them. Those are a little faded. The car's definitely nice enough that I'd just change them. I'll look into it, see if I can get them. Gotta believe those are available. Nice car, man. Seats are really nice. They've definitely been all refoamed and padded. Again, I love that little steering wheel in there. Padded dash, that was an option. Gauges are nice and clean. Dash is nice. Little fade on your door handle there. Yeah, an A-pillar chrome's pretty nice. Shows a little wear. Runs and drives like a little sweetheart, guys. This car just hits the road great, man. Like I say, we had it in mid-80s weather, in traffic, on the expressway. Just a good car right there. If I showed you that. Gauges all work. Tach works. Yeah, I'll look into those bezels. They're a little faded on the car. Probably original. Could you put some duals on it and liven it up? Absolutely. I just wanted to leave the car alone, though, to be honest with you. I wanted people to see it for what I got. I mean, just a cool little car. Radio works, blower motor works. Doors open and close real nice. Wipers are functional. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little red button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. That's just a great little car right there. You want a fun cruiser? You're gonna love that car. It's funny, it was snowing yesterday.